Vegas.
Tara, let's go! Ulo! Dito kami sa... finally! Nice the place. It's on?
Yes,
Hi guys, you please?
Yung place is mainit.
You remember me? You remember me? I'm here again. Hello. Hi guys. Oh my goodness, traffic. Ay. I'm going to Vegas.
And circus.
But it's traffic. Oh man. Guys.
Hi.
See?
Hello.
See? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Isa medyo malungkot na mas na di maintindihan.
Nagmumuni-muni.
Nagmumuni-muni. Hi Kenzo! Say hi! Hi!
Wala dyan pakialam. Kumakain.
Hi! Gwapo ko nga po. Wow, ayan o. Gwapong makulit. Oh, yun pa yung isa o, yun o. Ayan pa yung mga anak ko. Yung isa kong pang-apo gwapo, kamukha ng lolo niya. Buti na lang. Ano ba sabihin ah? Ayan, hindi lang, kamukha ng mga lolo itong ano. Ay, ako.
Oh yeah. Wasn't it your birthday yesterday, Nate?
Yeah.
What'd you do yesterday? You gonna have fun?
Hi guys, I come back.
Nice view.
Nice view, my friends. Ganda ng mga view rito. Bibiyahe namin 7 hours. Ay, ano oras pa lang? 2:10. 2:00 tapos 7 hours pa yung dadrive namin.
Kenzo, say hi.
May dodo ba yun?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Tubig lang.
Ang gatas.
Going.
Where are we going? Where are we going, Kenzo? Such a long drive. How long was the drive, Nate, right now?
8 million hours. 8 million hours? Yes.
How many hours to go?
2 hours.
2.
And
So-
tomorrow, Manong's gonna go golfing. He says he's gonna pay me the arcade. How much are you gonna pay me?
Finally! Sa gabi magandang Vegas, pag sa araw tahimik. Ginawa mo naman sa sahing ka. Vegas? Ano ka ba? Vegas. Wala akong sinabi ng Vegas. Vegas.
I could go out in the darkness, see you calling my name. I hear you shouting, hear you calling, but it's not the same. Every word that you are throwing right into my back doesn't matter to me, cause I'm keeping my track. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Stop talking, let me go. Our time together always ended up in war. Every whisper made you jealous, and that from the start. It is nice to see you shouting out for throwing me out. No excuses, but this time it's gonna be the last. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Oh, baby, let me go.
Ay, nasa na tayo ngayon?
San Vegas.
San Vegas. So after 7 hours of drive, nakarating na rin kami dito sa San Vegas, which is yung dati namin pinagstayan nung nagpunta kami dito sa San Diego. So bukas marami pa kaming gagawin.
And we're gonna go to the arcade at
And
12 o'clock.
thanks to Nathan because birthday niya to. Ito yung request niya kaya nandito kami ngayon.
And tomorrow we're gonna go to the arcade at 12 a.m.
12 a.m.? Oh,
Yeah.
sige. Oh. Ayun yung isa namin vlogger. Arman, are you priest?
Yeah.
Priest? Tita. Ito yung tita ninang ko. Ano, kamusta ka?
Sakit ng pet ko.
Sa tapat mo. Ayun si God bless. God bless. Hello. Okay. Tomorrow again. Guys, second day na namin dito sa may circus. Naglalakad-lakad kami ngayon. I-explore namin yung place. Sama natin si Armando the vlogger. Si Aling Rowan.
Take my hand and take me downtown. Take my hand and let the sun go down. Let the sun go down. Take my hand and find expression in the silent night and let the moon break in. Let the moon break in. Take my hand and lead me through the night. Take my hand and show me what it's like when the sun goes down. Take my hand and I will come along. Let's watch the stars when the lights are gone. When the lights are gone.
Last time, ito kami sa 7 Magic Mountains, mainit. Ayun. Sa paliwanag naman. Ayun na. Hey, I know you. I know you. Yes, boy. Lama man, hindi ka nalalamig?
Well, this guy took my damn jacket.
Parang walang-wala lang sa'yo ah. Seryoso. Sabi ka big. Oy! Ano po, natagpuan po talaga ni Armando yung pang-8 bato dito sa Seven Magic Mountains. Ayun! Ayun, nakita niya na kasi 8 po yan eh. Yung mga color doon. Ayun yung pang-8. Nakita mo ba yan? Nice the place. Nice the place. Wow.
Bakit?
Wow! I see the bridge again.
I don't miss the
Ako na naman yung bridge, oh.
I don't miss the bridge.
Yan. Ay, I see you again.
Talagang matalino talagang tao. Tingnan mo.
Ha?
Yung muna kurbata nila yan. Oh.
3 araw lang itong ginawa yun eh. 3 araw lang. Ang gagaling. 2 Meksikano tapos 1 Pilipino lang ang tumira niyan.
Oh, Meksikano daw, saka isang Pilipino tuloy.
Oo, tumira niyan. Tulay na yan.
Maganda yung ano eh. Tourist spot na to eh. Ano siya? Ilang bilyon kaya dollar ang nagastos dito. Ay, yung tulay oh.
Kaya walang trabaho dito.
Ay, yung tulay oh. Yun yung mga tulay oh.
Inga, honey.
Si Lia ba? Ha? Nandun yung jacket niya sa ano.
Nice the place.